ourselves. Self-defense is like when we will learn how to defend ourselves, self-confidence also, and patience. So basically, we will start learning this with a small warm-up exercise we will do. Okay? I am Hetal Goel and I am 15 years old. Okay? So now we will start some basic warm-up exercise. So you all are ready for it? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So now all of you just stand at your places.
You just need to stand, right?
Am I visible to you?
Yes, ma'am, we can see you.
Okay. So now we will start warm up. Some basic exercise we are going to start. We will start with jumping. We have to jump at our place.
Okay, just jump.
Start jumping. We have to jump for 20 times at our place only. So start jumping. Good. Now we are going to do jumping jacks. 10 jumping jacks we have to do. Like this. Open your hand, open your leg. Good.
How many times, ma'am?
10 times we have to do.
Okay, 10 times. Okay, perfect. Start. Okay.
Now we have to keep our hands like this. And we have to touch our knees on our hands. Like this. Keep our hands in front of our body like this. And start jumping. We don't have to move our hands. Now we have to do butt kicks. At behind we have to put our hand like this. And we have to kick on our hands. Okay? So do it for 10 times same. You have to face yourselves in front of camera only.
Okay.
See me. So now we have learned 4 exercises. Jumping, jumping jack, high knee and butt kick. You have to remember this. First we have done jumping.
Can you say it one more time, please, so that we can retain the names in our memory, please? Can you say it one more time?
Jumping.
First we did jumping. First what we did? We all did jumping. So who can show me how we jump? Who can show me how we all jump? Who can show me? Yes, Abhi can show me. Delina can show me. Yes, Raisha, Navya. Who can show me how we all jump? Who can show me Divek, Ayan? Who can show me fast? Yes, very good. And the name of the second exercise was, ma'am, what do we call that exercise? What do
Jumping
we call that?
jack.
Jumping jacks. Yes. Now, who can tell? Wow, Delina. So, how do we do jumping jacks? Very good. Very good, Koshi. Very nice. Wonderful. So, let's all do jumping jacks. Let's see who can tell me how to do jumping jacks. Yes. Do like this. Very good. Very good. And the third exercise was, ma'am? The third exercise was?
High knee. We have to do high knee.
Oh my God. Who can do high knee? Delina can do. Delina and Abhi, Delina, Abhi, Raisha, Arohi, Navya. Navya is doing it really well. Wow, very good. Very nice. You all are genius. You all are genius. Wonderful, Saisha. Kyra, why are you sitting? We need to do it. You know it's very good for our health. Kyra, stand up. No, we will not sit like this, baby. Stand up, stand up. Stand up. Yes, look, everyone is doing, all your friends. Hayan, Trisha, fast. Trisha, start. Very good. Keshav, don't sit on the floor. Keshav, Saksham, very good. And ma'am, the fourth exercise was?
Fourth was butt kick.
Butt kick. And who can do butt kick for me? Who can do it? Delina, Samarth, Koshi, I'm waiting. Kriti, fast. Vidushi and Kriti, don't sit like this. You know what, lazy girls. Wow, Neerav is doing it really well. Abir, Neerav, can you show me how to do butt kick? Neerav, can you show me? Can we do it with Hetal ma'am one more time? Hetal ma'am, please, can you teach Neerav how to do butt kick? Hetal ma'am, one more time. Wow, Neerav, well tried. Well done. Yes. Keep everyone, look at Hetal ma'am. Look at Hetal ma'am. Arohi, bache, look at Hetal ma'am. Gitika, Abir, look at Hetal ma'am and do how is she doing. We will try to do like her.
At the back.
Navya, Arohi. Very good. Neerav, Abir, fast. Delina, I cannot see you doing. Very good. Well done. Koshi, hurry up. Very good. Devak, Saksham, Keshav Agarwal. Keshav, where are you? Keshav, fast. Fast, Bitu. Very good, Hayan. Trisha, wonderful. Prisha Agarwal, amazing. Kyra, very good. Devak, Charvi, are you doing? Shifali ma'am, Diksha ma'am, Sanya ma'am, are you also doing it? Yes, wonderful. So what next we are going to do? Hetal ma'am, can you tell us after warm up?
Yes.
Look, even I'm fitting. So what next?
So we are going to learn one more exercise.
Okay, that's great. What?
Eye coordination we are going to learn. This is very important.
Okay, now we are going to learn about eye coordination. That means how to move our. You will be teaching.
Keep our hands like this. One hand this and one hand like this.
Okay.
In front of our eyes. One time we have to watch left hand and one second time right hand. One time left hand and second time right hand. Stand up. Now, 10 times we have to watch each side. We don't have to move our neck, only eye. Now next, you have to keep your one hand upper side and second hand down.
Like this.
Now you have to watch same one time each. 10 times each hand.
Stand up. Delina. Stand up, Bitu.
Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you check whether we are doing it right or not, please? Because we are newbies in it. Can you check us one more time? Whether we are doing it right or not? Yes?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So, Abir and Navya and Arohi will show first. Wow, Navya, very good. Abir, show me how we need to do like this. Keep your hands, fingers like this and move your eyes. Quickly. Abir, Delina, Arohi, Navya, fast.
Abir, please do it.
Abir, quickly. Delina, quickly. Fast.
Good.
Very nice.
Good.
Very good, Gitika. Koshi, ma'am cannot see you, bache. Divik, are you doing it? Divik? Yes, do it.
Koshi, do it.
Vidushi, fast. Hayan, Prisha, don't sit. Prisha, Saksham, Keshav Agarwal, Keshav.
Ma'am.
Yes, Neerav, ma'am cannot see you, beta. Trisha. Who said ma'am? Okay. So, ma'am, are we all doing right? Kital ma'am, are we
Yes.
all doing right now? Okay.
Yes,
So,
you are
what
doing
next
right.
we are going to learn, ma'am? What next are we going to learn from you?
Now we will do cross twisting.
Okay.
I'll tell you, wait.
Okay.
You have to open your legs.
Okay. We
Open
need
your
to
hand. Now one
like
time
this.
you have to touch your this hand to another opposite leg. Same this.
Okay. But
Opposite hand and opposite leg. And you have to
okay.
twist your body. See me? You have to keep your hands like this. One time you have to touch this leg. Second time you have to touch this leg. Now continue. We are going to do this. Abir, good. Gitika, do.
Neeraj, do it, baby. Fast.
Koshi, do.
Ma'am, kids were playing.
Kids were playing. Yes. Do it. Ma'am is watching everyone fast. Fast, quickly. Wow.
Prisha, do.
Very good. Well done. Very good. Very nice. Delina, wonderful. Abir, Navya. Very good. Very nice. Next.
Are you all enjoying?
Yes, ma'am. We are having fun. We are learning something new. We are learning something new which we never knew before. Oh, wow. What Neerav is doing. Very good, Neerav. Neerav is really a champion in it. Yes? Neerav is enjoying and he is making his own versions. Right? That's
Right.
great. Wonderful. Wonderful. So what next are we going to learn from you, ma'am?
Next, we are going to learn a kick,
Kick.
a basic kick.
Kick. We are going to learn a kick from ma'am now. How?
First of all, you have to do left leg back. Then we have to keep our right hand like this. And we have to touch our left hand on our right hand without bending our knee. Like this.
Like this. Like top. Like top. Okay.
First of all, keep your left leg back. Right hand like this. And you have to touch your left hand on your right hand. Left leg on your right hand. I count and you have to do with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you have to change your leg. Now you have to keep your right leg back and left hand in front. Now you have to touch your right leg on your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Name of this kick is straight kick because we are stretching our leg in front in straight. Are you all getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am, we are getting it. Ma'am, can you hear us?
So we will do it for one more time.
Okay.
We will do
So
it
what-
for one more time.
So
Okay,
what we
now
can
left
do,
leg back.
we can make groups, right? We can make groups of 3, 3, 4, 4 students so that we can see whose kick are going high. Can we do that, ma'am? Can we do that? Yes. So
Okay,
the
okay.
first group is
Okay.
Navya, Arohi,
Yes, yes.
Abir, and Tina. So they 4 will do and we all will cheer our friends. Okay? Okay? We all will cheer them. So stand up, Navya,
Okay.
Rohi, Abhi, and Delina. Stand up quickly. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Fast. And ma'am, you need to count and they will do. Delina. Oh, Delina, stand up. Delina, stand up quickly.
Okay. Okay.
Stand up. Yes. Let's start, ma'am.
Stand up. Now, left leg back. First of all, left leg back.
Left leg back.
Keep your right hand in front. Abir. We have to use our left leg, Abir.
Yes, like this, Abhi. Yes.
Now 1, 2,
Delina. Delina, your friends are
3,
doing, and Delina.
4. Navya, keep your right hand in front and use your left leg. Now 5. Now you have to change your leg. Now we will do it with right leg. Keep your right leg back. Keep your right leg back and use your left hand. Now I'll count, okay? 1. Abir.
Fast, Chan.
2, 3,
3.
4, and 5.
Well done. That's great. Now time for group number 2. And in group 2, we have Gitika, Koshi, Samartha, and Divik. So let's see who will rock this time. Okay, ma'am? So let's quickly start. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up.
Okay.
See who gonna rock? Who gonna rock this time? Go quickly stand up, baby. Stand up. So let's start, ma'am. Start with the counting. 1.
Now 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, and 5. Now we will do it another leg.
fast,
Keep your
fast.
right leg back and left leg in front. Okay? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good.
Very good, champions. Wonderful. Now it's time for group number 3. And in group 3, we have Prisha, Kyra, Neerav, Hayan, Keshav. So are you all ready? Are you all ready? Group number 3, are you ready? Are you ready to rock? So ma'am, please start with your counting. Let's see who will do it with energy. Let's see.
Now
Let's
keep
start.
your left leg back. Now 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Now change your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Wow,
and 5.
very good. Prisha, why are you not doing? Prisha Agarwal, what happened?
Prisha, what happened?
रोना तो आता है बेटा वो कर लो
What happened? Prisha is a champion. You know, Prisha can do it really well. Yes, Prisha? So, yes. So, ma'am has
Prisha?
taught us about kicks. Ma'am has taught us about kicks. Now, what next, ma'am? What next?
Now we will stretch our legs. For this, you have to see Samar.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you. Kindly unmute yourself.
Now for today it is enough. Now we will recap. What we have learned today.
Ma'am, kindly turn on your video. We cannot see you, please.
So today what we have learned. First we have done jumping.
Then
First we have done jumping. First, second, jumping jack. Third we have done high knee. Fourth we have done butt kicks. Are you all getting it?
yes, ma'am.
Fifth we have done what we have done. Anybody of you remember it?
I.
We have done eye coordination.
Yes, we learned how to concentrate and how to look like this. You right? Like this without moving our head. We just do that. Eye coordination. Yes? Yes, we did eye coordination. And what after that? What we did next?
What we did? Cross twisting.
Yes, cross twisting, in which we
We
learned
have done
about
cross twisting. Then we have learned a kick, straight kick. It is enough for today.
yes,
You have to
ma'am.
remember all these.
We will revise the
You
same
have to
at
remember
home.
all these exercises.
Okay, so we all will revise the same at home with the things that we learned with the Hetal ma'am. Okay, so in this class, we learned about 4 warm-up exercise. We started jumping, then we did jumping jacks, then high knees, then butt kick, and after that, ma'am taught us about one activity in which we need to move our eyeballs and not our neck. And then we all learned cross twisting, and then we learned about kicks. So kids, we all are going to revise the same at home. And in next class, ma'am will be teaching us how to do stretching and so many self-defense techniques so that we can protect us from everyone. Yes, ma'am. Will you be teaching us good self-defense techniques?
Yes, for sure, for sure.
For sure. So we all will say thank you to Hetal ma'am. Okay, and we meet her soon. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for teaching us some techniques. We will meet you all super
Thank
soon.
you all of you to joining me.
Okay, welcome, ma'am. It was our pleasure to have you today. Okay, so kids,
Okay,
now,
bye.
bye, ma'am. Take care. So kids, now we all will say bye to each other. We all will say bye to each other, and we will meet super soon with lots of fun activities. You all had fun? You all had fun? So we need to do what? We need to record a video of our dance and we need to share it with Komal ma'am, right? Right? We all will record a video of our dance and we will share it with Komal ma'am. And then ma'am has something special for you all that I will WhatsApp to mama and we can check it out. Okay? Okay, ma'am has something really special for you all, which we can see, which ma'am will be sharing it with mama once I will receive your videos. Okay? 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 So, I love you all. Thank you so much for joining. Bye. God bless you. So, let's quickly sing our goodbye song. Ma'am is unmuting you all. We all will unmute. And we all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Keep safe. And nobody will